Hello, I'm Samuel. And I'm Sylvia, and here is our entry for the 5-12 home church challenge. Enjoy! To start with, I boil my spaghetti. Yes, as you can see, I'm boiling it for like 3 minutes. Eggs, chicken, veggies, I fry it all, and then I spag. So to start with the stir fry, I put my oil in my frying pan, add my eggs. Next I add my onions, my sliced onions. Yeah, and then after that I add my green onions, as you can see. Add my spring onions and then stir for some time. Next I add my carrots, my chopped carrots. Stir it for like 30 seconds for everything to infuse nicely. And next I add in my chicken, my green pepper, and then my powdered pepper. So if you love pepper, just add plenty. Next I add my spaghetti, and then I stir thoroughly for everything to infuse nicely. So fried sauce just gave us a delicious assorted spaghetti. Yeah, I'll invite the guys.
Enjoy!